Hello, hola, привет. Today we're making chicken soup. Let's boil that chicken down, adding some bay leaf, pure seasoned salt. We're going to cook that for about 30 minutes. When it's boiled and ready, we're adding some zucchinis and potatoes. Let's let those bad boys cook for 10 minutes. Adding our celery, carrots, and onions. Let's go ahead and add a splash of flavor with some chicken bouillon and garlic powder. Cilantro and some cabbage. Plate it together with some fresh vegetables and tortillas. All together, this meal should take about an hour and a half to make. Follow the descriptions down below for this hot and hearty meal. Finishing it off with some limon. Cilantro and onion. Hope you enjoyed. Adios, baka baka, subscribe.